investigations have been done. Charge sheets have been supposed to be filed. So they have asked for a prosecution permission by a autonomous agency. The SIT and the Lokayukta, both of them have written to them. But still, from past 2 years, some of them past 6 months, 7 months, they have requested them, but the governor has not given any prosecution. But the governor tells that he doesn't have kept anything pending in it. We will just look into it on the other issues from the government side. But we have urged him to see that equal treatment has to be given, fair has to be there. We have said that we have just impressed him that this should not be used politically. So BJP and JDS is trying to make use of this office politically. We have just informed him there should be a level playing field, that all of us should be treated in a well to uphold the justice and the constitution.
ಸರ್ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರ ಬಳಿ ಫೈಲ್ ಇರದೇ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ತಮಗೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಸರ್?
This is what Mr. Excellency Governor has said. We will look into it. On behalf of the Congress Party, about 136 legislators and about more than 30 council members and about 10 parliament members, including the former Chief Minister Mr. Veerappa Moili and some of the former ministers also. We all met the Excellency Governor of Karnataka. We had seeked his time. Today he was very kind enough to give us time. We all requested him, he gave us the audience. We presented our case that we are not discussing the matter connected to Mr. Siddaramaiah. It is a matter connected to the office of this governor. We want the constitution to be protected. We want the ethical values of the governor office to be protected. Equal treatment should be given to everyone. The governor office is there to protect the state and not the individual. So, on the advice of our cabinet, we had discussed in detail. We knew we have come on record stating that there are 4 former ministers, including a former chief minister. Lot of criminal cases are there.